I want to talk to you this morning about pricing. As you're reading the website, I'm asking you at certain points to stop and go and watch some of the videos we have for you. One of the most important ones I have is on pricing. When you get back home and you're pricing your jobs, you want to talk to these restaurant owners and managers, you're pricing your jobs, you need to think a couple things you need to keep in mind. First thing that you need to keep in mind, if you're there and you've gotten down to, you've looked at the job, you've figured out how long it's going to take you, you've priced the job out, so you're in the negotiation part with the owner or the manager, okay? He's not happy with the service that he's been receiving, or you wouldn't be standing there. These restaurant owners have associations, they attend meetings, they talk about this, they talk about service providers, they talk about vendors, they talk about everything. So if you're a good quality hood cleaner, kitchen exhaust system man, your name is going to come up. Your name has been coming up. But if you get back home and you go out and start looking at these jobs and you thinking to yourself, well, I don't have a lot right now, so maybe if I just go ahead and do this one and I do it for $450, that will help me down the road and get me into more restaurants. Okay, you're signing your own death warrant when you do that, because the managers have friends, owners have friends, and it's going to fly around fast that you're cleaning hoods and doing a good job for $400 or $450. Okay, and when that gets around, everybody's going to know it. So you are now a $400 to $450 kitchen exhaust system cleaner. That's the last thing you want. You want to set a minimum price. Okay, the minimum price is what you charge to leave your house and go to a job. This market, and today we're in December of 22. Things have gotten crazy. You almost can't, make a living and afford to go out for less than $500. It's just, it's not doable. I'd say $600. If you want to be safe about it, with the months coming up, the way the economy's going, $600 should be a set minimum of what you charge to go out and do a job. So keep that in mind. When you're out there, these people are talking about you, especially if you're doing a good job. You're not going to know it, but they are going to notice you. Do not underprice yourself just to get work. If you do, you will be stuck in a bracket. Also, one more thing I'm going to get into is price increases. Over the next 10, 15 years, you're going to need to do a steady price increase on your work. About every 18 months. We're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you how to steadily increase in every 18th month period. You steadily increase the price of your work, so you don't wake up one day like some of the exhaust system cleaners that are out there today that have about given up because they didn't keep up with the times. It's just like anything else. This business is just like anything else. You have to keep up with the economy. Your cost is going to go up, therefore you have to go up. The restaurant cost for everything else, it has to go up. Everything gradually goes up. Now you just can't go clean a hood one day for $600 and then say, oh, we got to have $7.50. You can't do stuff like that. It's the gradual increase. We're going to show you how to do it. We're going to show you how to justify it. I'm Chris, Kitchen One Solutions. If you have any questions, give me a call. Be happy to talk to you about it anytime. And hey, good morning. Let's go to work.